Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video we're talking about side hustles, which ones are the best, how much you can expect to make from these, and I'll share with you some different methods and also free resources. Now when it comes to side hustles, people always say to me, which is the best method to make money online? And I always say it depends who you talk to. Over here, I'm based in the UK, so over here in the UK, lots of you money bloggers over here primarily focus on two things. It's matched betting and it's also blogging. Those are two side hustles. But this channel here, people from all over the world watch this. So today I'm going to share with you a number of methods, and I'll also drop a link below to this blog article, and it's side hustles to make money from home fast. There's resources in here, freebies and lots more. So let's go ahead and look at some different side hustles that anybody can do regardless of your skill set, regardless of money, and genuinely they're all straightforward. So we'll start with something realistically that is not going to take too much of your time and anyone can do this. Now for this we're going to come over to this platform over here. This is obviously called Etsy, and you can see here I've just typed in baby shower printables. Okay, so if I scroll down here we can see, look, we've got baby shower games, all of these here, £11. Scroll further on the page here, we've got £2 for this one, £2 for this one, you can go through and have a look at these. Now printables online are huge, and the reason why this is such an awesome method and a side hustle to make money from home is, if I just go into this, I'll just click on here and I'll show you this. These are essentially a passive income, because once you create these printables and you upload them online, then guess what? You don't have to do anything else, because you can see on here, look, editable baby shower sign bundle. It's a PDF essentially. So if I was to purchase this right now, you can see on here, look, it is a digital download. So the creator of this has done this work once. They've put the products over on Etsy, and they're earning money from doing so. And if we see over here, I mean, look, they've had 8,749 sales from the work they've done once. Now let's just click on them and have a look at some other printables, because I'm sure they've got them in lots of categories and niches. So look, we have got baby shower games, virtual baby shower, songs, signs, custom signs, place, etc. But the cool thing about this is, it doesn't take them that long to do this. The printables, so the person who buys them gets instant access to these, and you can just create as many of these as you like. Now here we've looked at baby shower, but you don't have to go into baby shower printables. I'm just giving you this as an example. I'll give you another example. So I mean, look at this here, baby shower printables. 7,000 people a month are actually searching for this. So this is a category in demand. If I come over here, let's just get rid of this, and let's go with, I don't know, look, we've got printable stickers, we've got a printable planner, we've got wall art, and lots more. So let's go with a planner and have a look at this. So come down here, look, we have got a printable planner, £19, £32, etc, etc. So this method here, let's just click on another one. I mean, look at this. This person here has sold 105 of this one here, and there's many, look, there's hundreds of these. There's different categories and different niches. So if you wanted to make money with some printables, is it hard? No, it's not. And Etsy, by the way, is just one platform where you can sell online printables. You have other websites, like off the top of my head, you've got eBay, Amazon, Gumroad, and many more if you went and did a bit of research. But if you wanted to create some planners like this, look, daily, weekly and monthly planner, selling at £2 with 400 sales for this, a daily planner, a weekly planner and a monthly planner. Let's have a quick look at this. Does that look difficult to create? Absolutely not. And this website over here, this My Life Plans, I mean, look at this, 7,943 sales. So this side hustle here, how can you do this yourself for free? Well, we use this piece of software over here, and it's called canva.com. It's 100% free to get started with. Now you can come in here and you can search along here, or you can just simply type in a template. So let's go back over here and have a look at this. So we've got this one. So let's just go with, what is that? Calendar. Let's just go with a planner button. Let's just go with planner. Let's go with weekly planner. Okay. And we have got, look, suggested weekly schedule planner. And look, I've done one of these before. So if we go into this weekly planner over here, very quickly. Now there is one thing to know over on Canva. This is absolutely free to use, but you see this here where it says Pro. Some of these templates are Pro, which means you've got to pay for them, but you definitely don't, because when you come down you see this one here which is free, and this one here which is again free. You just simply click on there, and remember this is a template, so as with any template, you can edit that as much as you like. We've got these ones over here, recently used, we've got for you, and then we've got these other ones over here, weekly planners and things. So if you just wanted, like say if I wanted this one over here for example, I just click on it, and oh no, see that is a paid one, so let me go back. Let's just go through, look, we'll on this one that we've got over here. So we've got a weekly planner, which as I've shown you, people are selling these over on Etsy, okay? So if we come back over here, you can edit this. So like say for the text, you can make the text bigger, smaller, you can change the font, you can change it to whatever you like, you can change the colour of this, like so. And basically it's just drag and drop. You can move any element of this around the page, you can change the colours, you can add in elements and lots more. It's simple, it's easy, and it's a genuine side hustle. And with Halloween and Christmas and other things coming up, you could go into those certain categories or niches. Once you're happy with these, you simply download them, you go over to Etsy and you upload them. So that's a pretty straightforward side hustle, which can make, as you've seen, and with some of these examples up here, it's just insane. I mean, 7,000 sales over on this platform over here. And again, look, you can go in and have a look at all of these to give you some inspiration and ideas. So let me come out of Etsy and let me close down Canva as well. So that is a simple side hustle. Now, focusing again on this recurring income or passive income, because we don't want to be working on this side hustle and having to spend lots and lots of time on it. So with that in mind, another side hustle I'm going to share with you is this one over here. So this is a platform called Skillshare. Now this is my own account. Now over on here, if you don't know what Skillshare is, it's basically where you can come over onto this platform and you can get access to, as you can see on here, look, really short courses. So 59 minutes, 41 minutes, 50 minutes, and then you can scroll through and have a look at this. So I'll drop a link to this below for you. You can come over and have a look at this. But in terms of this platform here, if you come over to browse, you can upload a course of your own in any category on here, and this can bring you in a passive income in time. So if we go on, let's just click on lifestyle, and I'm not suggesting you go into lifestyle, I'm just giving you this as an example. Somebody here, look, sewing basics. So if you're good at sewing, you could create a course around sewing. We've got food over here, we've got flowers, we've got knitting. I mean, document your life. What the heck? I don't even know what that one is, to be honest. But if you have any knowledge or any expertise in any category, it doesn't matter, you can create an online course and you can upload it onto platforms like Skillshare, and you can start earning a passive income. Now if I come over here, let me go to your teacher stats. So over on Skillshare, I have courses, and you can see here today I've earned over $2,000 from this platform. Now here's the thing, I haven't uploaded anything on Skillshare in about I think it's about 3 years, yet those courses that I uploaded are earning me a passive income. So if I scroll down here, you can see we have got premium minutes and free minutes. So basically premium means over on Skillshare they offer a free account and they offer a premium account. So some courses on here are free and some you have to have the premium account, which is, I think it's about $80 a year. And then if anybody watches one of your premium accounts, then one of your premium courses, sorry, you can earn money. So if I scroll down here, you can see September 2021. So for last month, I earned, what did I earn here? I earned $61. Previous month, $30. Previous month, $25, $54, $60, etc. So you can see it goes all the way down. Now, as I've mentioned, let's go scroll down here. Look, I uploaded these courses in 2018. And I've not touched them since. I've not done any marketing with them. I don't think I ever mentioned my courses on Skillshare on this YouTube channel neither. I uploaded them. If I come over here and I go to class and go to classes you're teaching, come in here so you can see we have got this one over here. This is a YouTube. I've not even uploaded this one. We have got, let's come down here. We have got this one over on a course on a website called Steamer. Come down here. I have got this one here. about getting people, or teaching people about what is this blogging, learn how to write headlines and content that stands out. And then I've also got this other blogging one over here. And thankfully, the feedback is relatively good. But what I'm saying to you here is, don't be afraid of. You don't even have to be on camera, by the way. You can simply create an online course, upload it onto a platform like this in any category. It doesn't matter. Again, come in here, have a look at this. If you're good at business or finance or whatever, come in here. Graphic design, come in, have a look, see what other people are teaching online. It's genuinely a simple process. And lots of these courses, look at this one here, 27 minutes, 1 hour. Come further on these ones are a little bit longer, but in general, over on Skillshare, the courses are relatively short. So that is another side hustle that you can get started with today, and you can upload it. Now I'll give you a resource for this. So if I come over to Screencast-O-Matic, this is the software that I am recording video with. And if I scroll down here, you can see, look, $18 a year for the deluxe version, which is what I have. And I'm literally talking over, I'm talking to you as I am showing you different websites. You don't have to, you see this picture down here of me? You don't have to have this on the screen. You can just talk over the top of a website, or over the top of your computer, like I am doing here. So again, that is another potential side hustle for you, which, you put in the work up front, like with these printables here, but it can bring you in a passive income. Online courses are absolutely awesome because it's just a passive income, isn't it? We do the work once and we earn money further down the line. Now, over in this blog article here, which will be linked down below for you, there's lots more methods in here. So you can see we have got niche websites. We have got, this is a cool one, a YouTube thumbnail creator. So you can create people's YouTube thumbnails and earn money for doing so. This isn't passive, and this would be active. But again, you can literally go ahead and start using platforms like Canva. As you can see here, look, Canva, we've got these free websites. And you can literally offer your services over on platforms like Fiverr, like Upwork, and many more. So you can see on here, look, this blog article, by the way, I've got videos in here, I've got resources, and lots more. And there's a few more different ones here for you. So, there's so many different ways that you can make money as a side hustle from home. So look, if you found today's video useful, please give it a like for me. I'd really appreciate that. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. But look, in terms of side hustles, which one's the best? Who knows? It depends on who you're speaking to. But some of the ones we've looked at today, I recommend them. I do them myself, and they can bring you in a passive income over time. So look, thanks again for watching today's video. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. But have a great day, and I shall see you tomorrow.